What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. MKB Captain is here. Today we talk about the OnePlus 8 Pro leaks and some images leaks on internet. We covered two big updates came from the OnePlus 8 Pro. First leak is the 120 Hz refresh has added into the OnePlus 8 Pro. Tipstar MaxJ posted on image on a Twitter. We talk about this later. And the second big update, there is some guys tested and used OnePlus 8 Pro, some hands-on picture leaks on internet. We cover both news in this video. So first of all, OnePlus launched the OnePlus 7 Pro back in the May this year with the 90 Hz refresh rate, and at the launch event of the 17th September, the company said that all its future smartphone will support a 90 Hz refresh screen rate. This means the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro will feature a 90 Hz display, but if recent rumors are to be believed, the OnePlus 8 Pro will go a step further and get a 120 Hz panel instead of 90 Hz one. Industry tipstar MaxJ posted on images on a Twitter with a caption, "Be a Pro Many Talk." He was testing the Samsung Galaxy S11 with a 120 Hz refresh display rate, but to clear the confusion, he later confirmed that he was actually referring to OnePlus, which means the OnePlus 8 Pro will come with a 120 Hz screen refresh rate. If this turns out to be true, then the OnePlus 8 Pro will be the first smartphone from the Chinese phone maker to boost a 120 Hz display refresh rate, since the company is unlikely to offer a 120 Hz panel with the Vanilla 8. We are several months away from the unveiling of the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, but we already got our first look at the pair last month. The two smartphones look similar and feature punch-hole display, but the OnePlus 8 sports a triple camera setup, while the Pro variant sports a quad camera. So the 120 Hz refresh rate in the device look awesome. Come to the second big update. OnePlus 8 Pro with a dual punch hole display spotted in a wide. As you can see on OnePlus 8 Pro picture on your screen, someone tested and used the OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus appears to be breaking its own standard sets of yearly launches schedule lately, contrary to the old day when the company used to launch just two devices per year, one standard one and one with T naming convention added to it. The company has been launching the Pro variant of the device as well. This year saw the launch of four devices from the company: OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro. It stands to reason that the company would want to do the same next year as well, and as it turned out, rumors surrounding the first device, the OnePlus 8 Pro, have already started popping up on the internet, as the first hands-on image of the same have recently got leaked. If the leaked image is to be trusted, the OnePlus 8 Pro will pack in dual punch hole display this time around. OnePlus 8 Pro leaked hands-on image suggests a dual punch hole display. Starting thing off with the display of the device, OnePlus 8 Pro app will illegally feature a dual punch hole camera at the top right side of the display, much like the Galaxy S10 Plus. Even after paying utmost attention, we cannot really notice a chin 3, meaning that the OnePlus 8 Pro will have a fairly minimal chin. The alert slider button is on the right side of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Furthermore, the display is rounded around the corner, just like the previous generation OnePlus 7T Pro. Moving to the rear, the camera era is different when compared to the OnePlus 7T Pro, which further enhanced the credibility of these leaked image. The dual tone LED is pretty oddly placed within the camera era. Underneath that the camera module, we can see the typical OnePlus logo, but underneath that is someone interesting thought. The images is not too clear. We can clearly see that the OnePlus text is accompanied by the word 5G, meaning that the OnePlus 8 Pro will have 5G capability, which makes complete sense by the way. The color gradient also appears to be totally new. That said, since the image is not that clear, we cannot say for sure as to whether or not this color variant is something new. Add to this the fact that the alleged device is covered with a protective case. Moving on through the bottom of the alleged OnePlus 8 Pro, we can see the USB Type-C charge port, the speaker grill, and what look like the 3.5mm headphone jack. If the company pulls off the 3.5mm jack with the OnePlus 8 Pro, it will clearly be an add bounce. As far as the specification of the OnePlus 8 Pro are concluded, we are yet to find some concrete news regarding the same, but it can safely be assumed that the OnePlus 8 Pro will be powered with the upcoming flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. A 12GB RAM variant of the OnePlus 8 Pro is highly likely, and also OnePlus 8 Pro has a 120 Hz refresh rate. As of now, this is all we know about the device, but we are sure to receive more leaks and rumors in the coming days as the trend follow. What are your thoughts on the OnePlus 8 Pro? Will it be any good? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you like the video, thumbs up, and for more tech related video, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.